So the youth is not someone whose wife doesn't wear the hijab.
Yes.
No, not only that. It is something more. It is the man who allows his women folk to engage in illicit and immodest behavior. Is the one who goes to nightclubs with his wife and doesn't mind his wife dancing with someone else, doesn't mind his wife traveling on a business trip with colleagues, to a resort in a 3 days business leisure trip to Vegas. Where's the wife? She went to Vegas. Doing what? Magic Mike. So what is this, akhi? This is the youth. No doubt about it. So the word is a word of insult.
Yes.
You cannot use it with another Muslim unless you are saying to him, may Allah curse you, may Allah do this to you, and this goes back to you. So no Muslim in his right mind